Gratitude has depth. And when we say thank you, that is the top layer. But truly feeling gratitude within our vibration, there is a depth to it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique Davis, also known as Brown and Bendy. And here on this channel, we practice flexibility of the mind, body, and spirit. Before we get into today's topic, I want to give a quick shout out to Kinder Beauty. They are a subscription box that includes all vegan beauty products, which, what? And they were kind enough to send me their July beauty box. So I want to tell you guys a little bit about them. So Kinder Beauty is a monthly box subscription co-founded by the actresses Evanna Lynch. Was made by Evanna Lynch and Daniela Monet, and they founded Kinder Beauty because they are both animal activists and they both really care about the well-being of animals as well as the environment. Every product that goes into their boxes are made by companies that are 100% cruelty-free, and a portion of proceeds go to various animal rights causes. All of their packaging is eco-friendly, made from 100% recycled materials, and the ink on their packaging is soy-based. If you're interested in cleaning up your beauty regimen, your skincare regimen, and moving towards products that are a little less harmful on your skin and a little less harmful on the environment, definitely check out their brand. I'll put the website down in the description box, and if you want to check out their July box, I'll put the link to that, or you can sign up and get your first box in August. Okay, you guys, let's get to the video. I am so excited to be making this video because gratitude is something that we all know is the foundation of manifesting, but because it's such accessible and easy information to understand, I feel like a lot of times we forget it and we simplify it and we kind of forget the point of gratitude. So today's video is going to re-articulate what I believe gratitude to be, and I'm going to explain the difference between saying thank you and imagining that you're thankful, and really feeling gratitude within your vibration so that you can manifest more quickly. So let's talk about how I define gratitude. I believe that gratitude is a very expansive subject. I do not believe that it is just saying thank you, but by dictionary definition, gratitude is showing thanks for something. You can show thanks by saying thank you, or you can show thanks by, doing something nice in return for whomever did something to make you say thank you. But that's a very simple way to look at gratitude. The more that I study law of attraction and understand that our universe is vibrational and that it functions off of our feeling, the more I start to explore how different things really feel within my body. And gratitude has a very specific feeling. So a part of gratitude is not only saying thank you, but it is also feeling it within your vibration. Gratitude is directly linked to abundance. In order to really have an understanding of what is yours in this world, you have to feel gratitude for it. Because we're not thinking in words. We're not thinking, oh my gosh, I have so much stuff. I'm so fortunate. Because a lot of people say that. A lot of people say, I'm rich and I'm grateful, or I have a great family and I'm grateful. A lot of people say that, say those words, and expressing that through words is important, but that doesn't necessarily mean that they are truly grateful for the things that they're claiming that they're grateful for. Saying thank you is just one part of the equation. So when you look at gratitude being parallel to abundance, understanding gratitude within your vibration, and when you look at whatever you're trying to be thankful for, bringing that into your vibration helps you subconsciously understand that this thing is an expansion of you. I was really scared I wasn't going to get there. I was like, I'm just going to keep talking and we'll see. By learning how to feel gratitude for things in a way that you feel it within your vibration, you are truly feeling yourself expand and you are feeling your abundance grow in real time. So you might be wondering, okay, so how do I know if I'm actually feeling gratitude or if I'm just, shallowly saying thank you? How can I tell the difference? you can genuinely feel gratitude by transferring your emotions from your mind to your heart. So if you are saying, we can talk about wealth in this video because why not? Let's say that you are trying to grow your bank account right now. You literally have $10 in your bank account. And you're just like, this will not do. I cannot live the lifestyle I want to live with this $10 that is in my bank account. So how are we gonna make it pop? What are we gonna do? So the first thing is to identify what the love vibration feels like to you. So when you are grateful for something, if you tend to think about it, you think very logically. You can think, I'm so grateful for this $10 in my account because I can go to Subway and I can put $10 worth of gas in my car. And you're logically thinking all of these things that you can use this $10 for, because that's showing gratitude for it. Like, let's say you're making a gratitude list and you're listing all the things that you can do with this $10. So this is very logical. And this is a step towards true gratitude. Again, logic is important. The mind is important. It has its place. But defining those things don't necessarily get you to that feeling, that space of gratitude. So after you have defined all the reasons why you are thankful for this $10, you don't feel any different. You don't feel any better. I mean, you might, and if you do, it is because you let this list of mental reasons transfer to your heart. So how you transfer feelings and emotions to your heart in order to feel your vibration is by, personally, I like using proxies. I use videos of my son. My son is 2, so he's learning a lot. He's learning how to count. He's learning how to speak. He's learning shapes and colors. And every day is like insane because he's learning so much information. So what I do to feel the love vibration is just watch videos of him doing something funny and crazy, because it's so easy. He's my baby. So I guess the moms and dads out there have a cheat code. But yeah, so I'll watch videos of my child, and it's an overwhelming feeling. It's an overwhelming feeling in my heart that can't be articulated, that I cannot explain in words. You know what's up. You know what's up when you love someone. You can look at pictures of a family member, of, pictures of a memory that you hold really dear. Anything that brings up the love vibration in your heart. And then you go back to that thing that you're attempting to feel gratitude for, and you see how close those feelings are to one another. What I have learned in the past few months while studying vibration and like really studying feeling is that gratitude has depth. And when we say thank you, that is the top layer. But truly feeling gratitude within our vibration, there is a depth to it. You can be as thankful for $10 in your bank account as you are for the video of your family member or whatever. Those two things, you can have the same level of gratitude for by feeling your way to it. You can't get there logically. Logically, you'll think, okay, this $10 is nothing compared to the worth of this video of my loved one. Like, what? But in reality, it's not about logically comparing what's more important than another thing. It's about understanding how to feel genuine gratitude in yourself. If you allow yourself to explore the depths of gratitude that you have available within you, you will see your life expand in so many ways. Expansion just happens effortlessly. When you practice feeling gratitude within your vibration and pulling other things into this feeling, this state of gratitude, your life will explode. And it's so amazing because you're in this state of gratitude, you're already happy, you're learning how to be content. But while you're learning how to be content, all this stuff is pouring from the sky. God loves us. So really quickly, I can talk to you about a couple of gratitude exercises that I do in order to raise my vibration and really feel connected to whatever I'm trying to feel gratitude for. The first thing will be create a daily gratitude list. So every day I write a list of 10 things that I'm grateful for, but you don't have to write 10, you can write 3. It definitely depends on how much time you have, because it's not something that you want to rush. If you only have time to write 3, you want to make sure that while you're writing these 3 different things, you are working on feeling that gratitude in your heart. The second thing I do to intensify my feelings of gratitude is by meditating. A lot of times when you're feeling gratitude, if you're not used to really genuinely being thankful for things, resistance will come up. As you're trying to feel gratitude for that $10 in your bank account, you might think it's only $10. What can I do with that? She has $20. She has $200. Why does my $10 matter? And that's all thoughts of lack. That's all a lack mentality, a lack mindset. There's no such thing as lack, only abundance. But we create this concept of lack. If you have $10, that is $10 that you have, period. So when that resistance comes up, meditation can help you learn how to quiet that part of your mind, so that when you are working on connecting to your heart vibration or connecting to the love vibration, when you're working on that, as that resistance comes up, meditation can teach you how to gently push thoughts away, and meditation also teaches you how to gently observe thoughts instead of being distracted by them. When you're trying to tap into that love vibration, if you're not used to it, it takes focus, and resistance can also often distract you so much that you might just say, it's not even worth it. So meditation can help you train your mind so that you can focus and work on really tapping into these feelings that you have within yourself. It's truly magical. Gratitude is so important, and we can't push it to the side. We can't ignore it, because if we're not practicing true gratitude, we're staying in the same place. We cannot expand if we're not practicing gratitude for the things the things we already have that are trying to help us expand. We can't get more if we're not grateful for what we already have. Alright, you guys, that is going to be all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, because I enjoyed making it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up so other people on YouTube know that it is valuable and that they should watch it. If you would like me to expand on anything that I've talked about today, just let me know and I'll be happy to expand down in the comments. And last but not least, please make sure that you're subscribed so you can be around for my next video. I love you dearly, and I'm so thankful to have you here. I'll see you next time. Bye!